Hello, this is the Lumix 20mm f1.7 lens. Let's see the autofocus. I heard that it's noisy, but so far I don't hear any. I mean, there is slight noise, but nothing worse than a Sony 50mm f1.8. So if you have tried that lens, ooh, that is noisy. This one, no, I can't hear it from a distance. Arm's distance, I can hear it. Maybe in video I could hear it, maybe. I'm gonna flip over and try to focus on something else to see if there's noise. Playing. Here we are. It's definitely not fastest. Absolutely not fast, but it's very smooth. I mean, I like this smoothness. The focus is really smooth. Yeah, it's perfect amount for making videos, I think. If it was faster, it would be perfect for photo. But I don't hear any noise, maybe because, you know, I'm outdoors, there's traffic, it's very noisy. But I absolutely don't hear any noise. And I'm not recording with external mic, this is the internal mic. If there's an external mic, I think it will be better even. By better, I mean you won't hear any noise. But yeah, it's pretty good, no? Look at this autofocus. It's pretty good, pretty swift. When it focuses, there is slight vibration, yeah, just like any old style focus motor. Yeah, I have kind of a very slight vibration, just like I've tested, you know, third-party lenses as well, like Sigma 17-70 with adapter on the on my GH5 with a speed booster. That's what I wanted to say. Canon lens with a speed booster. But that thing is noisy. That is really noisy. You can hear it in the video. This one is silent. I don't know why people complain about the noise. It's completely silent for me at this distance. If I want to hear noise, I have to put my ear to the lens itself to hear noise. So yeah, it's not noisy unless my lens is broken, doesn't make noise anymore. That doesn't make sense. But anyways, if you have ever used any, you know, DSLR lenses, they are noisy as hell. In comparison, this is quiet, silent pistol. You don't hear it, you die. Alright, that's the first impression. Also, the funny thing is the number 20 is not straight on top left. It's not 12 o'clock, it's at 1 o'clock angle because there's a red dot. The lens is so tiny it doesn't have space for both the red dot and the 20 marking on the same line. So they put red dot at 12 o'clock position and the 20 marking 1 o'clock position. It's really weird. I thought the lens was crooked at first, but it was correct. It is correct. It's just by design like this. The 20 marking is crooked on the side. All the other lenses have the marking straight up at 12 o'clock. So this is something really a little bit weird. But anyways, that's the first impression. We're gonna shoot a lot of photos with this. See you soon. Okay, this is just to demonstrate what I was talking about earlier. Look at the 20mm lens. Look at the 20 is off center. The center is the red dot. On all the other Lumix lenses, the red dot is always center, 12 o'clock on top of the lens where you mounted the lens. This is the only exception. Maybe there are other pancake lenses, just like this, very tiny, that doesn't have enough space for it. But yeah, that's the reason, because it's so tiny, it has to be off center. You can't see it anymore. I'm holding the light, that's why. Alright, that's it.